Hey praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, April the 9th. Happy Easter to you all. We are heading into CVS and this is going to be an all digital couponing video. We do have a couple coupons that I printed off from the coupons.com app, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Our total at CVS today was a grand total of $231.69, and I paid around $50. So I was really excited about this because I got a lot of deals. I've got 15 deals to share with you today. So great deals on these, a variety of deals between cleaning products, food, and just things, beauty products, that sort of thing. So if you are not already joining me on subscribing to my channel, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell to all. Also join me on Instagram and Facebook. And as always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Either print it off and take it in the store or just pull it up on your phone. Let's get started on these great deals. To you guys is a disclaimer. A lot of people are picking up this L'Oreal Paris that's $4.69 because when they scan it on the app, this $5 L'Oreal Paris coupon, manufacturer coupon, is attaching. Yes, I know it's attaching when you scan it, but when you go to the register, it is not coming off. Now, I do think it is working if you do a store pickup deal, but if you do it in the store, it is not working. My suggestion to you instead is to get one of the L'Oreal Parises that are $5 or more. I didn't take a picture of it, but I did get one that was like $7, and this $5 coupon worked great. So make sure that you don't mess up on this one and get the one that's below $5. It has to be above $5 for it to come off at the register. I've been couponing at CVS since 2009, and this is the first time I've ever seen them do a spend $25, get back $8. So this was new and interesting. I was really excited about it because it made this deal pretty easy. What I did was I picked up one of the Tide pods that are on sale for $12.99. They're usually $16.99. And then I picked up one of the Tide liquid. They're usually $19.49 and it's on sale for $12.99. Now, what's going to happen is this is going to get us to our threshold of $25. So our total for both of these are going to be $25.98 before coupons and deals. Then you're going to clip this $3 coupon for the Tide detergent 92 ounce and this $3 coupon for the Tide Pods 32 count or more. That's $6 in coupons. Don't forget, we're also going to get back $8 and extra care bucks. So after the deals, the $6 in coupons, the $8 in extra care bucks, your total for both of these is $11.98 or just $5.99 per container of Tide. Of course, you can do other deals with this, but this is the deal I did for me. Do what works for you. There's paper towel products and toilet paper products that may work for you, but just do what works for you inside of your store. So this next deal is on these Airwick Essential Mist. It's an okay deal, not too bad. So these are $5.99 on sale. They're usually $9.49. I would never spend $9.49 on these, period. But $5.99 is a decent deal. Plus, we have a coupon from the coupon app that you submit for $7 back when you buy 2 of them. So that's not bad at all for that big, coupon for that. We're also going to get back $3 in extra care bucks when we buy $15 worth. So this is what you're going to do. Pick up 3 of them. Your total for all 3 is going to be $17.97. We have that $7 coupon from the coupons app. Then we'll get back $3 in extra care bucks. Your total for all 3 will be $7.98 or just $2.66 each. Guys, every time this resets in the IBOTTA gallery, I keep picking it up. So these Chex Mix bars are usually $5.29. That's crazy prices on this. But they're on sale at CVS for $1.99. There is an IBOTTA rebate for $1 back, and you can do this deal up to 5 times on IBOTTA, making each box just 99 cents. I went ahead and picked up all 3 of the boxes that you see there, so I can get these for my family for just 99 cents. Good deal on these Chex Mix bars. You know, we don't need any paper coupons or CVS app. Just make sure you load it on IBOTTA and you get back that money from IBOTTA. So really good deal on these. Another decent deal is on these fruit roll-ups. These are $5.19. Anytime these are on sale at CVS, I pick up a couple boxes for my kids. So these are just $1.99. No paper coupons, no digital coupons, nothing. So no coupons needed on this deal, just $1.99 on these. So as a kid, we always had Dunkaroos. I love the chocolate ones. My brother loved the vanilla with the sprinkles. And, you know, they made a comeback a couple years ago. So I wanted to get some of these for my kiddos. So these are usually $6.29 at CVS. Of course, that's outrageous. We're going to pick up 2 boxes. It will be $3.50 or $7 altogether. We do have $1 back on IBOTTA. And because we're picking up 2 boxes, we're going to get back the $1 back on IBOTTA twice. And so that will bring it down to $5 or just $2.50 per box of Dunkaroos. So I hope my kids like them. I loved them growing up. Did you guys like them too? So this is my deal of the day, my favorite deal. Please let me know in the comments your favorite deal today. And even when you guys just comment, it helps to grow my channel and the ministry that we have of giving back to people. So please make sure you comment something below. So these Poise pads, these are not in the regular pad section. This is going to be in the incontinence aisle over there closer to the medical stuff. We're going to be getting these pads for about $1.63 each. Great deal on these because these are $7.49, so that's pretty high. So this is what we're going to do. We need to get to that $30 threshold to get back our $10. Now, the way I did that was I picked up 4 packs of these at $7.50. Now, you need to look because there are different ones that attach to different IBOTTA deals. I picked up a couple packs that attached to the $3 and a couple packs attached to the $2. Just make sure you try to get the ones that are cheaper that do attach. You can do 3 on the $3 pack and 3 on the $2 pack. So I went ahead and did that on my deal. Also, on top of that, we do have a $1.50 coupon on the CVS app. So what I did for this was I picked up 4 packs. My total was $7.50. It equaled to $30. We did have that $1.50 coupon from the CVS app. We got back $10 in extra care bucks. And then on top of that, I was able to get back $11 on the IBOTTA app. Sorry guys, I thought it was $12. $11 on the IBOTTA app. So my total came out for all 4 packs to be $7.50 or $1.88 each, which is still a killer deal. $1.88 for all 4 packs is really great. Just make sure whatever you do that you're attaching those IBOTTA rebates, because those are high value rebates, and then you're also getting to that $30 threshold of spend 30, get $10 back. So when I have my couponing class, I always teach people to maximize your savings by getting things that are on sale, that have extra care bucks, and also high value coupons on the CVS app. And we have that today with the CVS Health Baby products. Okay, so I know the picture's hard to see, but if you spend $25, you can get back $10 in extra care bucks. So that's a lot. Plus, we have a $6 off and a $5 off. Now, both of those did not come off for me. Just the $6 came off when you spend $25. And then also my Care Pass, because our CVS Health products came off as well. So let me break it down what I did at the store. So I picked up 2 boxes of these Ultra Soft wipes. They're $11.99. This is a huge box of a lot of wipes. So I picked up 2 boxes, and when I did that, I still needed to get to my $25 mark. So you can either pick up the small orange pack, that's $1.59, or the yellow pack, it's like $2. I picked the yellow pack, you don't have to. So 2 boxes and one of the small packs. Your total is going to be around $25, whichever way you do that. We have that $6 store coupon that's going to come off. And then we have a $10 and extra care bucks that we're going to get back. In addition to that, with the 20% off on the CVS Care Pass, because we have the Care Pass, and I hope you do as well, I got back $2.05. And then also, if you have that 32% off coupon that was floating around that we got the other day, my 32% off of this came off and it was $4.83. So that's a pretty amazing deal. So my total, I'm just going to do the math really quickly, after everything was $2.12 for $25 worth of these white products. That's pretty amazing. So I got this deal last week on the Neutrogena products. Still a great deal. These are going to be $4.49 after our sales and discounts. Neutrogena is my favorite sunscreen, and I like it because, you know, it's free of all of those toxins and things that people talk about all the time, the oxybenzone or whatever it's called. So what we're going to do for this deal, if you spend $25, you'll get back $8 in extra care bucks. To do that, we're going to pick up 2 of the 45 sunscreen spectrum SPF. That's $12.49 each. When you pick up 2 of them, your total is going to be $24.98. So it will bring you to that threshold that we're able to get back the $8 in extra care bucks. We have a $4 coupon on the CVS app. If you don't have the $4 coupon on the CVS app, we also have a $4 coupon on the coupons.com app. And then we have a $2 back on IBOTTA, and this can be done up to 3 times, I believe. So I'm going to get back $4 on IBOTTA, and our total will be $8.98. So $4 coupon, $8 extra care bucks, and $4 back in IBOTTA makes it $8.98 or $4.49 each. Great deal on Neutrogena products. All right, so Neutrogena makeup wipes. They're going to be $2.64 this week, and you can do any combination you want. What I ended up doing was I picked up one of the containers that was $8.49, and then one of the soft packs at $6.79. I did this because I'm trying to get to the spend 15, and when you do that, you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. So just a roundabout number on this, it cost $15.28 when I bought both of those. Now, I did have some coupons from the coupons.com website. I printed them off. They were $1 off on each. Sorry, I forgot to take a picture of it while I was in the store. So that was $2 in paper coupons. Check your coupons app. I didn't check on mine. It may be on there where you can just do it digitally. Then we have a $3 store coupon, or CRT is what it's called, on the Neutrogena facial products. So I was excited about that because I could stack that coupon as well. And then we got back $5 in extra care bucks. The total was $5.28 after everything, or $2.64 each. So 2 of those $1 coupons, because I bought 2 products, a $3 off on the Neutrogena, and a $5 back in extra care bucks, made our total $5.28, or $2.64 each. So the L'Oreal hair products are glitching. Let me show you how. They're going to be 50 cents each. So they're usually $5.29. They're on sale 2 for $9. And then when we buy those, we're going to get back $2 extra care bucks. There is a $3 coupon on the CVS app. And then we have a $3 coupon, but you must print it from the coupons website. You cannot use the coupons app and it works. It's not going to. They're going to send it back to you. So make sure you print this $3 coupon from the coupons website before you leave the house. That's going to be $6 in coupons, and getting back $2 in extra care bucks will make this just $1 or 50 cents each. So another glitch deal, and this is going to be on the Garnier Fructis. These are $4.59. When you buy two, you're going to get back $2 extra care bucks. There's also a $3 when you buy two CVS coupon on their app. In addition to that, you're going to print the Garnier Fructis $3 off too. You cannot try to do it in the store with the app. You have to print it from the coupons website before you leave the house. For this, it's going to be $3 on the CVS app and $3 printable coupon. That's $6 in coupon. And getting back $2 extra care bucks is going to make these just $1.18 or 59 cents each. Alright guys, so this is all the things that I got for about $50 in my store today. Ignore the toothbrushes that you see there. I'm going to take those back because my deal did not work and I thought it did. So this was, I told you, a grand total of over $236, I think I said before, and I paid just $50 for it. So great deals on these. I cannot wait to get these wipes out and split them up and give them to people who need it, because there are tons of people that could use these types of wipes in blessing bags. All right, guys, so I'll see you next time in my Walmart video. I'm hoping to go there on Monday. Stay tuned. Thanks, guys. See ya.